Thanks for clicking. It is my birthday. Well, not today, a few days ago. Still, it's a special birthday episode. And to spoil myself, I decided to get a luxury beauty kit from Sephora. I'm pretty sure you can only get this through the app. It's $45, so 3 lips, a primer, a setting powder, and a mascara. The first thing I can see about the box is, why is it so small? For $45, I expected like what I've been getting, but this is super small. But you know, it's all about quality, not quantity. Opening up the box, this is what you find inside. So this is the Yves Saint Laurent Blur Primer. I don't know if you can tell, but they have gold flecks in it, which I think is pretty awesome. And the full size of this runs $52. This is crazy. But I'm going to put it on, see how it feels. And this is the little, oh, it's very jelly. It's like silicone, which is normal. But this is the applicator. I don't know, I've never put gold flecks on my face before. Alright, it feels like a regular primer. Oh wow, it smells amazing. Fancy land we done landed in. Woohoo! I like it. It feels good. It's not tacky, it's like super smooth. Is this what the real stuff's supposed to feel like? Wow! So I put some foundation on. Oh man, getting fancy today. This is a Diorshow Mascara. The full size of this runs $29.50. That is a thick wand. That's what she said. Holy cow. Alright, so I put the Dior on my eyes. It feels just about right. I mean, it coated my eyelashes pretty well. But I'll tell you what, this smells pretty darn good. Dior, you smell good. If anyone's sniffing my eyelashes, the next thing that I had included was an Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. And this actually comes in 2 sizes. There's a mini, which runs $18, or a regular size, which is $46. And what I think is really cool, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but the holes are in the form of an H. I was like, how cute is that? I put it on, it blended really well. I mean, it was like nothing, honestly. I was just like, bop, 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 gone. Gone. I was like, well then. So this is what fancy does. This is like the real deal. My face smells fabulous right now. Moving on to the lipsticks. This is TF. What the hell is TF? Casablanca. Tom Ford. TF is for Tom Ford. Alright. Shows how much I know. That's Tom Ford right there. And this is it. And it's in the color Casablanca. I gotta say, the case is just so adorable. Oh! The full size of this runs $55. This is Tom Ford, Casablanca. I can't say I'm in love with it, honestly. It's like a weird pinkish red. I mean, it smells like lipstick. I mean, it doesn't smell like cheap lipstick, but it smells like lipstick. There it is. That is Casablanca. I'm not mad at this color. It's not the color I would pick, and obviously I'd have to put some eyeshadow on it to like make it count, but I'm not mad at it. Alright, Tom Ford, Casablanca. You're looking good. Next up is going to be, what is this? What is this, Gucci? No, this is Giorgio Armani. Bounce the pumps. This is Lip Maestro, and the color is 501. This is the Giorgio Armani. The full size of this runs $38. The Casablanca, and this is the Lip Maestro. It's a little brighter than the Tom Ford. Yeah, I'm not as in love with this color, but it feels great on my lips. I mean, it's just like coating it, does its job. Still looks great. You know, I'm not mad at it. It wouldn't be my favorite, you know. Thanks for showing up though. Alright, so last on the list, McGrath Labs. Oh, look at those lips. And this is in the color, it says it's in the color Flesh 3. Ooh, now look at this color. Look at that. That looks like it's going to be beautiful. Let's swatch it with the other two. Oh, and that's a matte. Oh, I think I'm going to love this one. I think I'm going to be in love. These are all 3 lipsticks that came in there. Whoa. This is like really bright. This is a lot brighter than I anticipated, especially for a matte too. Oh yeah, I like this. This is like, I'm going out and I'm about to cause some trouble. The bigger size runs $38. And I gotta say, it's a pretty $38. I'm really happy. Anyway, thanks for watching so much. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll try and leave a link below. As you can see from behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags to open up. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Cheers.